explain a little bit about the buttons here. After we connect the power, this is the power switch right here. Okay, this red button here is the manual testing button. You can see if I press it, the machine will manually work just once. Okay, and right here, this is the speed for automatic coding. Okay, the switch here is to this white switch here is the automatic switch. If I switch to right, okay, it starts working automatically, and here is to adjust the speed. Okay, back to manual mode. This here is the temperature controller. Okay, you can play with it to adjust the coding temperature for your bag. And also we have an extra pedal controller for manually coding. Okay. Finally, this button here is the emergency stop button. So whatever, if there is any emergency, press this button here. Here is the fuse. If the machine has no power, you might want to check if the fuse is blown. Okay. Right here, and this is the coding letters. You can use the wrench here to remove these letters and reconfigure it by your own combination. Okay, I'm going to slide this in. Okay, and we need to push it. Goes up. Then it's locked. Right now we are going to wait about 3 to 5 minutes to let the machine to heat up the coding block here. Then we can actually start using this machine. Okay, now 3 minutes is passed. The machine is ready to work. First I'm gonna place this plastic bag under the coder. Then press it. You can see the coding effect is really good. Now I'm gonna actually switch to automatic mode here. See, that's automatic mode. Okay, that's it. That's all about this machine. Thanks for checking out our video. We will see you in the next one.